Minsan ako yun, 'pag alam ko ng kukunin ko na yung bola, eto na, maitawid mo lang, Wes. Maitawid mo lang.
Wes, can you admit, or are you ready to admit, willing to admit, that you were scared of the nightmare press?
I was. I mean, as I said, we practice it, pero once you get into the game, it's different. Parang nawala lahat nung pinagpreparahan nyo days before that game. Kasi iba nga yung intensity, iba yung dating nila eh. Iba yung pag sinabi mong pag ang Lasal magpe-press na, alam mong gagana at gagana against you. So yun yung kailangan nung as a player, we had to overcome that.
Siyempre, every minute, laking bagay na pahinga. Paano siya makakapahinga? Pagpasok na reliever niya, parang 3 dikit kagad.
Parang it snowballs eh. Parang yung takot mo, plus pag nag-turnover ka, demoralized ka, and then before you know it, ang haba na nung lamang, yung hahabulin nyo. So parang ano pa bang gagawin ko? So yun yung parang sometimes you feel so helpless na acceptance na lang na sige, next game na lang.